Привет, это Natasha. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about the Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. Welcome to the lesson number 10. The previous lesson was dedicated to the structure of a Russian sentence. Today we are going to learn how to put a noun into the accusative case. A quick reminder, we need it because the direct object in the sentence must be in the accusative case. For example, the short sentence Я люблю пиццу. Pizza is a direct object here, so we put it into the accusative case. Pizza in the nominative, пиццу in the accusative. When we talk about inanimate nouns, non-living things, the rule for making the accusative case is not that difficult. Let's look at the table. So, masculine inanimate nouns have the same form in the accusative case as in the nominative case. Football, football. Neutral nouns have the same form in both cases as well. Море, море. And plural nouns have also the same form in the nominative and accusative cases. Грибы, грибы. But the feminine words change their form. You need to change a to u and я to ю. Pizza, пиццу. Кухня, кухню. We have one more category of words. They end with a soft sign and can be either masculine or feminine. They don't change their form in the accusative case. Дождь, дождь. Тетрадь, тетрадь. Let's have a little practice. Push the pause button if you need more time to think. Now let's talk about animate nouns. Nouns which denote people or animals. Let's look at the table. As you can see, we change feminine animate nouns the same way we change feminine inanimate nouns in the accusative case. Мама, маму. Тетя, тетю. Лошадь, лошадь. Let's see what's going on with the masculine animate nouns. If it ends with the consonant, add a. Брат, брата. If it ends with the и краткое, change the ending to я. Герой, героя. If it ends with a soft sign, change the ending to я. Гость, гостя. Almost every neutral word denotes a non-living object. So, according to the previous table, we don't need to change such words in the accusative case. Let's do some practice. And now it's time for the plural animate nouns. The bad news is that the rule is really complicated because there can be different endings, but the good news is that the form of the animate accusative plural is equal to the animate genitive plural. So when it's time to learn the genitive case, it will be easier for you. So let's look at these endings. Masculine animate accusative plural. We need to look at the ending of the singular word. If it ends with a consonant, except ж, ч, ш, щ, add of. Студент, студентов. And if it ends with ж, ч, ш, щ, add ей. Муж, мужей. If it ends with и краткое, change the ending to ев. Герой, героев. If it ends with a soft sign, change the ending to ей. Учитель, учителей. Feminine animate accusative plural. If it ends with a, remove a, don't add anything. Mama, mom. If it ends with я, change it to the soft sign. Тетя, теть. And if it ends with a soft sign, change it to ей. Лошадь, лошадей. So the first line here looks like it might be the easiest one, but it's not that simple. For example, we have the word бабушка. It ends with a, so according to the rule, we need to remove a, so it will be бабушка. But it's not correct. We have two consonants at the end, shk. We need to insert a vowel between them. In this case, it will be е. Бабушек. Бабушка, бабушек. Девочка, девочек. Sometimes there is ё between consonants. Сестра, сестер. Also, don't forget that such words as папа, дедушка are grammatically feminine words, and we change as we do with other feminine words. Папа, папу, пап. Дедушка, дедушку, дедушек. And of course, there are some exceptions. Let's look at them. Друг, друзей. Семья, семей. Мать, матерей. Дочь, дочерей. Сын, сыновей. Брат, братьев. Дети, детей. Люди, людей. This was a long theory about animate accusative plural nouns. Let's have some practice now. That's all for today. I know that it's a lot of theory for a beginner and it can be boring to learn grammar. Of course, grammar is important, but please don't be afraid of making mistakes. Try, and if you fail, just try again. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes. And if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.